Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to do a video on how to repair an old rustic drawer that has fallen apart. And the tools you're going to need is a couple of hand clamps like this one here, these two long ones, and some quick hand clamps like those two on the right, top right of the screen. And I'm going to be using some brads for extra security of the face, of the drawer face once it's on there, and wood glue. And today I'm using wood glue from Titebond, and I'm not being sponsored by them. They're not paying me for this, or Bostitch for that matter, in using their product. So basically what I'm going to do is start applying the glue to the drawer sides and back itself. As you can see, right here in this corner, it's cracked. So I'm going to put some glue there, and then after I'm going to use those hand clamps over there, squeeze that together, and do the same thing on the back corner. Then I'm going to slide the bottom plate here into the slots right there, and apply some glue here to the dovetails on both sides, and some on the drawer face on the dovetails on both sides there. Assemble everything together. Once it's assembled, I'm going to go ahead and apply the clamps to hold everything in place. Let it dry for like 24 hours, and then bring it back to my friend's house. So I'll go on to the next step, and I'll show you that. So I went ahead and glued everything together and put everything together. As you can see, there's a little bit of glue left there, but that's going to dry. And I'm going to go ahead and clamp it now while it's still wet so that it holds everything together. You can see right there. Right there. And now I'll go ahead and clamp everything together so that it has a chance to hold and set. So I went ahead and made sure everything was aligned good and started clamping everything, one side to the other on the front, and then front to back as well, and then the two corners where it was cracked. So there you go. How to repair a drawer that has fallen apart and just needs to be re-glued and resecured with a couple of brad nails. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell sign for upcoming videos. And also share my videos with your friends. Thank you. See you on the next one.